Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Mighty Bull, an YouTube channel for swing and positional traders. This is Vimal here, a part-time trader and a full-time working professional. I have an experience in trading for about 4 years. As most people, I also started my trading journey during 2020 COVID times. Started first to see how it goes, later interest picked up and I am here now. This video is just an introduction about this channel and what you can expect in the coming days from me. Before going on to tell what this channel is about, I would like to mention what this channel is not about. This channel is not about futures and options because I feel they are high risk with lesser reward. This channel won't be giving you any tips or shortcuts or no get rich schemes will be discussed in this channel. There won't be any attitude of me showing myself as a guru or something else like an expert or something. I won't be boasting about wins. I will also share my losses. So this channel is only about the positional and swing trading strategies. So what is the purpose of this channel? Why I would like to open this channel? It is to share my knowledge and experience in stock trading, to help myself and thereby help others to develop a winning mindset in trading, to learn and teach trading in a less riskier way without affecting one's family. This is very important because many people out there trade and they risk their family's financial investments also. That is not at all worth it. And to develop a matured, healthy, and happy trading community that help mutually for building personal wealth through trading. So, what I am going to share, I am going to share my process, my trading process, and my approach to it. And I will also be sharing my lessons that I learned through my process, which cumulatively will help to make me become a better trader. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon in the next video with an interesting topic. Meanwhile, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you think that I can add value to your trading journey. Thank you.